how to add background color in Adobe Illustrator. To show you this, I've opened my artboard here, and I'm just going to go to the top left here on the menu bar where it says File. And from here I'm going to click on Document Setup, or you can also use the shortcut Alt plus Control plus P. And once this window appears, I can go ahead and click this white box here, and it will give me the option to choose between one of the predetermined colors like this, or I can just go ahead and drag around here with my cursor until I find the color I like, a custom one. And after I do that, I just click on OK. And now what you want to do is you want to tick this box which says Simulate Color Paper, like this. And now you just click on OK. Now in my case it didn't get colored in right away, but once I scrolled away like this, it just appeared like this. And that's how you add background color in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.